Have you ever wondered exactly how many years it will take for your money to double? Most people save and invest, but they miss one crucial thing. They have no idea if their money will double in 5 years, 10 years, or take a whole 20 years. And the result? They park their cash in the wrong places, get terrible returns, and fail to build real wealth, even after waiting for decades. But what if I told you that you can calculate the exact year your money will double in just a matter of seconds? In this video, I will teach you the Rule of 72. It's a simple yet incredibly powerful formula that smart investors have been using for years to predict their financial future. Average people leave their money in traditional savings accounts, dreaming of becoming millionaires. The wealthy leverage that exact same money to double their wealth overnight. The only difference between the rich and the poor is this one single rule. Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. And this rule is the ultimate key to unlocking it. If you are living in 2026 and still don't know this rule, your money is silently losing its value every single day because of inflation. So, let's dive into the live calculation today and see how this formula can completely change your life. My name is Luis, and I spend way too much time thinking about compound interest, investing psychology, and why most people in their 20s and 30s are quietly broke, despite making decent money. If you're tired of watching your paycheck disappear into nothing, while everyone around you pretends to be rich on Instagram, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. I have to be honest with you. The financial advice you've been fed your entire life is, kinda trash. And I'm not saying that to be edgy. I'm saying that because the data supports it. According to a 2024 report from the Federal Reserve, 37% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency without going into debt. 37%. And a Bankrate survey found that 57% of adults are uncomfortable with their level of emergency savings. These aren't people in poverty. These are nurses, teachers, software engineers, people making $70, $90, $120,000 a year. So why is this happening? Here's what most people don't realize. The financial industry doesn't make money when you understand math. They make money when you feel confused, scared, and dependent. That's why every expert on your feed is selling you complexity. Options trading, crypto arbitrage, real estate hacks, when the actual foundation of wealth is something a 12-year-old could calculate on the back of a receipt. And that foundation has a name. It's called the Rule of 72. The popular advice, just invest, bro, is incomplete. It's like telling someone, just drive, without explaining what a steering wheel is. The Rule of 72 is the steering wheel. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. What the Rule of 72 actually is. So let's get into it. The Rule of 72 is stupidly simple. Ready? You take the number 72, you divide it by your annual rate of return, and the answer is the number of years it takes your money to double. That's it. That's the whole rule. Let me show you what I mean. Say you've got $10,000 sitting in a savings account, earning, and I'm being generous here, 0.5% interest. Your big bank's high-yield savings, right? You take 72, divide by 0.5, and you get 144 years. 144 years for your money to double. You will be dead. Your kids will be dead. Your grandkids might see it. Now, let's say you move that same $10,000 into a high-yield savings account at 4%. 72 divided by 4 equals 18 years. Better, but still, almost 2 decades just to turn 10 grand into 20. Let's put it in the S&P 500, which has historically returned about 10% on average. 72 divided by 10 equals 7.2 years. Your money doubles in 7 years. And here's where it gets really interesting. If you just leave it there for 36 years, which is the length of a normal career, it doubles 5 times. $10,000 becomes $20K, then $40K, then $80K, then $160K, then $320,000 from a single $10,000 deposit. No additional contributions, just math. Now, you might be thinking, Luis, okay, cool, but 10% isn't guaranteed. You're right, it's not. But the S&P 500 has averaged roughly 10% annually since 1957, including the dot-com crash, 2008, and COVID. So while no single year is guaranteed, the long-term trend is one of the most consistent patterns in modern economics. Here's the part that should genuinely make you a little angry. Your bank knows this. They're paying you 0.5% on your checking account while loaning your money out at 7%, 12%, 24% on credit cards. They are literally using the rule of 72 against you while telling you that saving is smart. Saving is smart. The only saving is financial sabotage. The psychology. Why we ignore the math. Here's the part nobody talks about. If the rule of 72 is this simple, why isn't everyone rich? Why are 6 in 10 Americans living paycheck to paycheck, according to a 2024 Lending Club report? The answer has nothing to do with math. It's psychology. There are 3 psychological forces actively working against you, and you need to know their names so you can fight them. Number 1, present bias. Our brains are wired to value $100 today more than $200 in 7 years. It's not stupidity, it's evolution. The ones who saved for later got eaten by a tiger. So when you choose DoorDash over your Roth IRA, that's not a character flaw. That's a 50,000-year-old instinct. But we don't live in the savannah anymore. The tiger isn't coming. The retirement, though, that's coming whether you're ready or not. Number 2, status anxiety. This one's brutal. A 2023 Credit Karma study found that 39% of Gen Z and millennials have gone into debt trying to keep up with their friends' lifestyles. 39%! Think about that. People are literally borrowing money at 24% interest to look like they have money, while the rule of 72 is screaming at them that compound interest in the opposite direction will destroy them. Credit card debt at 24%? 72 divided by 24 is 3. Your debt doubles every 3 years if you don't pay it off. Number 3, FOMO. Every time you see someone post about doubling their money in some meme stock, your brain registers it as, I am being left behind. So you abandon the boring, mathematically guaranteed 7.2-year doubling for a get-rich-quick play that statistically, and I mean statistically, wipes out 80% of retail traders within a year, according to data from multiple brokerage studies. Real quick, let me tell you something embarrassing about myself. When I was 24, I had about $8,000 saved up, my first real chunk of money. And instead of putting it in an index fund, which, doing the math now, would be worth around $24,000 today, on track to double again, I put almost all of it into a hot stock a coworker swore was going to the moon. It went to the basement. I lost about $6,200 in 4 months. And the worst part? It wasn't the money. It was the time. Because the rule of 72 doesn't just measure dollars, it measures years you can't get back. I didn't just lose $6,200. I lost the doubling after that. That single decision in 30 years will cost me close to $200,000 in opportunity cost. That's the lesson. Money you lose, you can earn back. Time, you cannot. How to actually use this? Starting today. All right, enough doom. Let's talk about what you actually do with this. Starting today, this week, before you close this video. Step 1. Calculate your current doubling time. Look at where your money actually lives right now. Checking account, savings, 401k, crypto. Whatever the realistic interest rate is, divide 72 by it. That number is the truth. If your money is sitting in a 0.01% Chase savings account, your doubling time is 7,200 years. I'm not exaggerating. That's the math. Step 2. Move your emergency fund to a high-yield savings account. Right now, in 2026, you can get around 4% to 4.5% on a normal HYSA from places like Ally, Janssen, or Wealthfront. That's a doubling time of about 16 to 18 years on cash you need to keep liquid. Not great, but 10 times better than your big bank. Step 3. Open a brokerage account or Roth IRA and buy a low-cost index fund, something like VOO, VTI, or FXAIX. Expense ratios under 0.05%. Historical average, around 10%. That's your 7.2-year doubling machine. Set up automatic contributions, even $200 a month, and walk away. Step 4. Attack high-interest debt like it's on fire. Because remember, the rule of 72 works in reverse on debt. A 22% credit card doubles your debt every 3.27 years. No investment on earth reliably beats paying off a 22% APR. None. Pay it off first. Step 5. And this is the one nobody talks about. Protect your time. Every year you delay starting is one full doubling cycle gone. Let me show you the cruelest math in finance. Person A invests $5,000 a year from age 22 to 32, just 10 years, then stops. Person B invests $5,000 a year from age 32 to 62, 30 years straight, 3 times the money. Who has more at retirement? Person A, by about $100,000. Why? Because they got more doublings. Time is the variable that matters most. Not income, not picking winners. Time. So, remember at the beginning, I told you there's a reason your bank, your advisor, and the gurus will never really teach you the rule of 72? Here's why. If you understand it, you don't need them. You don't need the $497 course. You don't need the actively managed fund charging 1.5%. By the way, using the rule of 72 eats roughly half your wealth over a 40-year career. You don't need the guru. You need 72, a calculator, an index fund, and patience. That's it. That's the whole secret. The financial industry has spent decades convincing you that wealth is complicated because complication is profitable for them. But the actual math fits on a Post-it note. Look, I'm not going to pretend this is easy. Watching your money sit there for 7 years while your friends post Cabo trips is psychologically brutal. I get it. I've been there. But 7 years pass whether you invest or not. The only question is, at the end of those 7 years, do you have $10,000 or $20,000? Then $40,000? Then $80,000? The rule of 72 doesn't care about your feelings. It doesn't care about the market mood. It doesn't care about Twitter. It just works. Quietly. Mathematically. Year after year. For the people patient enough to let it. So here's what I want you to do. Right now. Pause this video. Open your banking app. Look at the interest rate on your savings account. Do the math. 72 divided by that number. If the answer scares you, good. Let it scare you into action. If this video helped you see money differently, smash that thumbs up. It genuinely helps the channel. And subscribe to my channel. Because next week, I'm breaking down the rule of 114 and the rule of 144, which tell you exactly how long it takes your money to triple and quadruple. You don't want to miss it. Stop letting the math work against you. Start letting it work for you. I'll see you in the next one.